Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the month cards that I've made. So these cards are very packed full of useful things. First, they have obviously the word and the picture, but also you might not be able to see quite well. They have the calendar up here, which gets kids used to seeing a calendar. And then very small, it also has first, second, third, and all the ordinals. So what you can do is, you can say when's your birthday, and you can circle like their birthday on it if you like. If you use whiteboard marker, that just wipes off very easily with something like this. So anyway, let's get into it. So usually you want to be using a song, right? Just go on YouTube, get a song up, and have them sing it every morning for a warm-up or something like that. These are quite difficult. Maybe kids can start learning these after 3 years old, but still, it's still very difficult. The kids can't read yet. They're just starting to read and maybe they can't remember. But anyway, it's up to you. You know your students better than I do, so yeah. Oops. Okay. So with each of the cards, like I said, it has the ordinals. So you can just start by learning the months first. So once the children have learned the actual months, what you can do is you can start talking about the scene. You can use things that they've already learned. Okay, so, oh, she is happy. He is happy. You can talk about the weather. Oh, how is the weather? It's snowy, that's right. Try to expand their conversation out of just the sentence patterns they know, and try to create a sort of conversation, really. Later on, you can talk about the bugs, okay? Butterfly, there's a frog here, there's a bee. Okay, so I've thought about this a lot. If they've already learnt the bugs, they start to recognize the pictures. After that, if you want to, you can either keep these cards, which do have the calendar on them, so you can put special dates. You can say, what is today's date? Today is October 27th. Okay, so cross that. Not a very good pen there, but there we go. October 27th. And that could be a thing that you do every day. You pick a child to find the date. Now these cards are available in 3 different versions. There's this version, there's another version where it has all the calendars on every card, and then there's this version, which is basically a blown up version of the calendar. So if these cards feel like they're a little bit childish for your children, then definitely try and use these. You'll also notice that these have the abbreviation on, which you can encourage the kids to read, like J and Jan. Oh, Jan, January, okay? Feb, February. So just things like that. Just little things that can help you more in your lesson. So these are the flashcards. They're available on flashcardsforkindergarten.com. So go there, download these. There's a poster there too. So if you want to print out a poster, remember that you can print them small, big. You can play matching games with them. Everything's for free. Hundreds of flashcards. If these help you out, go type a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. That's it. Goodbye.